Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. So in today's video we are going to be doing some unboxing and try on haul. I ordered these. I have about 5 of them here which we are going to be trying on. So I ordered these from Temu sometime a few weeks back actually, and I've not had the time to like unbox and haul it or try it on for us to see how they fit. So I'm finally doing it today, and come on guys with me, let's see how they will look on me. So which one should we start with first? Let's start with the tops. So this is an orange top. Ooh. Okay, and it came with a pant. I'm not going to be wearing these here. I'll be trying them on with this black skirt. So here is the top. Let me go on ahead and try it on. Wow. Oh my goodness guys, this one looks absolutely beautiful. Like what are you seeing? What I'm seeing? I love it, and the material feels super soft. And what is this? It's really beautiful. Mamma mia, this is so good, y'all. I love it. Let's try on the other one, which is this one right here. This one is black, and it has this sunflower here. Wow, I love this. I love this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So this one also came with a pant as well, and this is what the pant looks like. See the design here, and here is the top. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay guys, I love this one too. Oh my goodness, like what this is so beautiful. Like the material is so amazing, very light, very soft, but you can still feel that it's a good and high quality. Well, I'm not sure if it is high quality though, but it's a very good quality material, if that makes sense to you. Oh wow, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love okay, the third one, which is this one right here. This one also comes with a pants as well. Okay, here is the pants. Get that out of the way. And here is the top. This one is, wow, look at that guys. Look at that guys. Hey, and this is the back. Oh my goodness, look at this one guys. Look, wow, read this. I love it. I love this. Wow. 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 Guys, this is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love. Okay, next we have 2 left. Which one should we go for first? This or this? So this one is a maxi dress, maxi madam dress. Yes, look at it, very big, because I want it big. Like I want freedom. This is so big, guys. Look. This can fit 2 people at once. Hey, 2 people can fit in here at once. Okay, let me try this one. Hey, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. I love this. Oh my God. What is this beauty now? What is this? What is this? Wow. I love this. I can't stop saying I love this. This is incredibly beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the material is absolutely amazing as well. Wow. Guys, can you feel this? Can you feel it? Look at how gorgeous, how smooth, how silky, how elegant, how gorgeous it looks on me. Wow. 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 Somehow it fits my socks though. Look. Oh my days. This is beautiful, guys. Huh. When I'm moving around the house, you will know that there is a madam in this house. Che madame in this house. I love it, guys. I love. It has this zebra design here. You can see that. Oh, beautiful. So the last but not the least is this one right here. It's another maxi gown, just like the one I'm putting on, but different color and different pattern and design as well. So let me go ahead and try it on so we can see what it looks like. All right, be back. Who is this? Who is this gorgeous? Who is this? Look now, and I forgot to show you guys with the other dress. It has this V shape here, same as this one. So, hey, my days. This is so beautiful, guys. This is incredibly beautiful. I love this. I love it so much. And see, these, I know you might be looking at them as summer dress, summer outfit. Yes, that's right. But you see this dress, I can also wear it in winter. Now, here's how I'm going to do it. I'll wear all my cold preventing outfit inside, both long sleeve sweater inside, or long sleeve, what is it called? You know, all those thick tops you wear inside that has long sleeves. Then wear my socks, my pants, wear everything. And then I put on this. I can even wear this to church, you know. Yes, I can wear this to church. If I wear this to church, nobody will chase me away, right? Because, I mean, this is so beautiful. I don't even know which of them I like most. Like, between the both of them, the 2 dresses, I don't know the one I prefer most. They both look so good on me. Haba. If I wear high heel shoes or high heel sandals with this dress, when you see it, you will not even know that actually I bought this so I can be lounging at home with them. But the way it looks and fits now, I'm wearing this to church on Sunday, either this one or the other one. Yes, I will do it, because what is this? dress up, and I'm good to go. Anyways, guys, we've come to the end of this video, and I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comment section which. Okay guys, so I don't know what happened, but for some reason the sound went off, but I was trying to ask you guys to let me know in the comment section which one of these dresses and the tops do you prefer most. Yeah, leave your comment in the comment section, and then give this video a thumbs up, share this video as well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.